Hi guys, here we've got Honor 70 and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use here. At first, reach your phone dialer and let's start with the first code, which is *pound, *225, #*. And here we've got the calendar info, so from now on you can smoothly check all upcoming events, celebrations that you've got in all your calendars connected with this device. So it doesn't matter if it's your Google Calendar, iOS calendar, device's internal storage calendar, it will all be displayed here. So that's it, let's go back. From now on, checking the calendar is super quick and easy. Another code that you can use here is *pound, *426, #*. And now you reached diagnostic mode. It's performed by Google and you can check events and status here. So this is it. Whenever you wish to get some further information, just tap on more icon and select advanced view. And here we've got a bit more info. So that's it. And the last code, also the shortest one, and that I want to show you is *pound, '06. And as you can see, this one will provide you with device info. It contains both IMEI numbers and also serial number assigned to this device. Tap on OK to exit, and that's it. That will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.